Right then, I've done some adjustments. I've had to play about with it a bit because after I took it apart and put it back together, the expansion cylinder, expansion piston wasn't moving freely. And it was to do how I bolted this back down. It's one that it was just a little bit tipped. So I still haven't cleaned this flywheel and crank, but I'm coming to that. But I just wanted to see if I could get it running. Now, the last video, there was a leak underneath the expansion cylinder or the displacement cylinder, and I thought that was the problem. And so what I did, I know I mentioned before about the 120-year-old twine. Well, it's got some 1-week-old heat-resistant silicone in there as well now, and that really has sealed it. There's no gas leaks, and that is the key to it. As soon as I put it back together, I could feel the piston bounce in there. I knew that I'd created the seal and there was a vacuum in there. So what I'm going to do, I've got a tiny little gas burner. I would like to use the original, but I'm not for now. I just want to see if I can get it going. So I've got a tiny little gas burner what will fit in there. So I'm going to light that. I'm not going to have it on a high heat, and I'm going to see. Let's turn that down. So what I'm trying to do is create the same heat what this would have produced. And I think that's probably more or less there. That's more or less there. I think that when that was lit would have produced a flame that big. So let's give it a go. Now, yeah, that wheel moved. Now that's what my smaller one does. As soon as you apply the heat, the wheel moves. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to run straight away, but it does mean there's an expansion of air, and it goes in there to move the piston. Oh, I think we're in business. Look at that. She's repaired. Or is she? Or is she? I'm saying she's repaired. I'm saying she's repaired. What a beauty. 120 years old. I didn't think there was much wrong with this. That's all it was. It was a vacuum leak, air leak. And now I'll see if I can look at that flame. I'll see if I can tweak that flame down a little bit. Might have been too much. Might have tweaked it too much. Yep, I'll go back up again. Go back up again. Yeah, I think we're in business. We're in business. I've just turned that flame back up a bit. What about that, guys? That's quite an impressive model now. Well, she's repaired. I'm really pleased with that. Very nice. Completely original. Apart from that tiny little bit of silicone, I use 250 degrees heat resistant silicone, and I put a tiny little smear around where the little cord was. And she's going nice now. I love the chimney and the burner box. The chimney's got holes. It's got some serious holes. There's not much I can do about that. Just get a little tiny tweak again. Anyway, it's a quick one, guys, but I hope you agree that she's repaired. I put the whole thing in the sonic bath to clean all the tubes out, and then found that there was a gas leak, and we solved the gas leak. And once we solved the gas leak, the physics works. So if you like this sort of thing, guys, this is what I like doing. I particularly like these very old machines. If I can get these very old machines running again, that really floats my boat. More coming. Hope you like it. Cheers, guys.